Hello and welcome to Lesson 7 in the PopFizz Roblox course. This is the second of two lessons on constraints. And in this video, we're going to see a demo for additional constraints. These include ropes, springs, and hinges. So let's go ahead and see the demo. Okay, so let me change the camera view a little bit. First thing we have these wobble pads, I call them, and they use a ball and socket joint or a ball and socket constraint. And what these do, you can see, they kind of spin, rotate around the center. And I have a bunch of these. Whoops. Let me try that again. Whoops. So these are a little more challenging than some of the other parts. But anyway, you see what these can do. Look quite nice. The other thing is you can use hinges not only to make a motor, but just to make a type of simpler door hinge. So here I use them to make these doors that just kind of swing when you push on them. Okay, so you can use the hinge just to make a simple door. Then over here, I have these rope bridges that I make with the rope constraint. And depending on where you land on these will move really quickly. But if you land on the center, it's not too bad. Yeah, those are nice. And then the last one that we'll work on is something called a torsion spring. And this is just a spring that returns to where it starts, its center. And you can actually make this. Let me see if I can do this. Usually you can make it move faster if you, yeah, there it goes. If you kind of time it, you can get some momentum going. But again, with the torsion spring, it will return to its center. Okay, and these are some additional, these are some additional constraints that you should be familiar with. And so let's go ahead and head over to Roblox Studio, and I will see you then.